And there we go. Hey, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're all having brilliant, fantastic, amazing days. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be discussing, should you trade over Christmas? Okay, and a few reasons why I in particular don't trade over Christmas and haven't done for the last 3 years. Now, I've got a stat up here from 𝗙𝗚𝗃𝗍 that I've dragged off the internet, which states the following. So volatility is significantly reduced as the trading volume decreases. Volume dies down for many pairs during the Christmas week. As we can see, some of the favorite pairs show decline in the pip movement during Christmas week. So an average pip movement dropped by 23.6% for Euro USD, 21.63% for USD JPY, and a whopping 43.92% in GBP USD. So that there, taken from 𝗙𝗚𝗃𝗍, shows the stats over the last 10 years of how, the pip movement has decreased. Okay, so we can see, on some of the major pairs, 20-25% volume decrease, so pretty much a quarter of the volume is decreased in the pip movement. So GBP USD nearly up to half, 40%, 43% decrease in pip movement. So overall, those are the stats, and that is largely one of the reasons why I don't trade. And I'm going to break down 3 or 4 reasons why I personally wouldn't recommend trading over Christmas, okay, and during the Christmas break. And this reason I'm making this video in particular is because some of the members inside the community, of course, are still looking and actively seeking funding. Okay, and they've got their account perhaps the start of December, and they've still got a few days left, and they're figuring out whether they should trade or whether they should just wait for a free retry. I'm going to shed some light on this matter here, and also why I think in general it's just good to have a break, okay, from trading. So let's dive into it. So the first thing that I've written is that it's good to have a break. Okay, it is good to have a break, and you don't want to overtrade. What I've written here is it's trading is a form of gambling. It can be very addictive. People are always wanting to trade the markets, trade every single minute of the market. And if you end up overtrading, you end up losing most of the time, okay, at least from what I've seen. So that's the first thing. The other thing that I've written is that because the volume decreases, your strategy also won't perform the same. This is in particular for the trades that I take. I'm very much a breakout trader as of the moment. So I'm trading breakouts of the New York session. I've just made a video where we've managed to secure 16% over the last 3 months, trading NAS 100 alone. We trade it every single day at the same time, and we trade it 5 days a week, and we've secured 16%, taking 1 or 2 trades a day at most. Sometimes, break-even days, of course, but we've had 16 more winning trades than losing trades because each of the trades are a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. So we've basically noticed that during, December, the volume decreases massively. And I'm recording this video now on the 21st of December, on Wednesday, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and there's no movement, okay, and this would be sort of the time that we take the trade. So the strategy won't perform the same, and that's the one thing that I've written there, is that some hedging strategies actually work better when, of course, there's less movement and less volatility within the market. But certainly the strategies that I've got, intraday trading or breakout strategies, there's not enough movement in pips, to take the same sort of level of trade. So that's one thing to know, is that your strategy might not perform the same. And the final thing that I've written is there's no need to lose. If, for instance, you're up in your prop firm account, secure the payout. If you're, break even, 1 or 2% up perhaps on your challenge or your verification, just get the retry. Verification, of course, slightly different, but if you're up 1 or 2% in your challenge, just get the free retry. So take a break, enjoy the Christmas break, spend it with family, and get back to trading when the market increases, on the 2nd or the 3rd of Jan, come the new year. That's for this year in particular, we said the 2nd of Jan last year is when the market picked up. That's when we'll start trading the breakout strategy again. So hopefully this video has helped. Hopefully it shed some light on whether trading over Christmas is wise or not. Totally, of course, up to you. Some people still do, and of course there are some pairs that are more volatile and still keep up their volatility. But as those stats from 𝗙𝗚𝗃𝗍 show, the volume decreases largely across all the instruments. So have a brilliant break, have a brilliant Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.